Hello there. Recently, temperatures have been pretty balmy for the time of year, 17, 18 degrees in the sunshine. It's felt spring-like. And it's going to stay mild into this weekend as well, both Saturday and Sunday. But we will have some weather fronts pushing in during the latter part of Saturday, bringing outbreaks of rain. But you can see the orange colours moving in as we head through Saturday, indicating that temperatures may be a little bit higher than what we had on Friday. A lot of cloud around on Saturday. There will be some thicker cloud with some spots of rain, Scotland, Northern England. Glimmers of brightness here and there, particularly eastern England, but then the rain splashes into Northern Ireland, spreads across the Irish Sea into Western Britain as we move through Saturday afternoon. But those temperatures well above what they should be for February, 12 to 14 degrees. Now, those weather fronts spread across the country during Saturday night should clear much of the north of the UK, but there's still a question mark to how quickly these fronts clear England and Wales as we head on into Sunday. So it could be quite a wet start for England and Wales, and there could be a bit of a hangback across northern eastern England for a time. Perhaps East Anglia, the southeast, continue to see the clouds, some spots of rain throughout the whole day. But elsewhere, it brightens up nicely, the best of the dry and bright weather, Scotland and Northern Ireland. And again, although temperatures will be a degree or so down across the north, it's still going to be mild for the time of year. And then as we head into Monday, we have high pressure located to the southwest of the UK, sporadic weather fronts travelling from west to east across its northern periphery. One such front will spread across the country during Monday, barely anything on it as it starts to push in towards eastern England, some showery bursts of rain. Behind it, skies brighten, plenty of sunshine in fact, but the air will be just that little bit fresh, I think. We're looking at 8 to 11 degrees in the north, 12 to 13 further south. And then as we move into Tuesday, a more substantial frontal system will start to push into northern and western areas, we think. Isobars closer together, so a breezier day, I think, on Tuesday. That's the theme of things to come. It will be turning windier later in the week. I'll show you that in just a moment. But that weather front sinks its way southwards, brightening up, but turning chillier across Scotland, where it'll be breezy. Single-figured digits here, with a few wintry showers, certainly over higher ground. But generally, most of the country is going to be mild again. Fairly breezy with outbreaks of rain, quite a lot of cloud. Into Wednesday, it looks like we'll see a more substantial area of low pressure spread across the country. So a windier day, I think, to come for all, and the rain will be pretty widespread. At the moment, it looks like it could be quite a blustery, wet morning on Wednesday. Most of the rain clears away to leave sunshine, blustery showers. Again, some of these have a wintry element to them in the northwest as some cooler air will start to move in behind this front during the course of Wednesday. But ahead of it, still we're into the low teens. But the jet stream does take a dive southwards, we think, from the middle part of the week onwards. And in this trough, we could see deeper areas of low pressure develop, which could bring spells of gales. And it will feel notably cooler. But it doesn't last. We'll be back to that flip-flopping, milder, cooler regime as we push into the following weekend. But you can see that evidence here that colder air starts to dive southeastwards on the northwesterly wind. And in that a trough of the diving jet, we could see some deeper areas of low pressure developing. This one could bring swathe of gales as we push towards the end of next week. So it will be unsettled. Certainly from Wednesday onwards, the winds will start to pick up. There will be spells of heavier rainfall, and with that colder air engaging in across the country, temperatures returning a bit closer to the seasonal norm, but we could see a little winteriness over the high ground in the north.